Jay, I pay for lights. Why not shine? The light guy on the beach. Lights support calling him. That guy that introduced me, I beg. Which one be 001? That no good. Are you crying me? Look, hey! Bini una try you. The kind of power and effort I put for this show. He said this show not full, I for put one for batting. Not see anybody go tell me. Hey, Bini try. And so now the suffer person. What guy they get now? Quarrel. What's the happen? You carry a dope picking ticket because you want to enter my show.
Hey, no get sense again.
No, he gets sense. Now, wahala they define. Now, say, this is my show. He say, are you people not together? Say, in that case, there's no unity among Edo comedians. Bini get wahala. What guy they shout? Can I pay to enter MC Casino show? I knew Casino when it was like this. Even if I be rabbit. Another guy they say, me? He when I see you, what did they pay me? They can't call you by your elder brother name. Make I pay entire give small brother show. Tell Casino say now some newcomedy outside. They bought Casino for my hand. How? You will be illiterate. So when mama they in one bond or call and say, call us newcomedy or call waiting now. Wait till you pay me. The guy will say they born for my hand. Now one hand you get.
You were not informed too?
No, that's what they do. Entitlement mentality. So ladies and gentlemen, before I say anything, this show will be like Shiloh. And trust me, not be say we funny or we too good. Now they gonna come. You guys have just concluded that you will support Made in Edo Talent. Please, wherever you are well seated, can you give yourself a very big round of applause, please? Sam, the mic don't break again, no. Because of balance. Because people go to say now we not pay. We pay heavily. So please, anybody when ushers don't offend, please, I'm sorry. I beg, if your table not do well, one guy say, why they use black, rapid table, why they use yellow, I beg, not be color, I beg. No, you they apologize, stand not good though. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for all these bouncers. God bless them for me. God bless. I am very sure this was not his plan in life. Likewise me, this is not my plan. Where will they grow? Everybody want to become pilot. Not be the pilot Moses. Today, make my marriage 5 years. Supposed to clap, but beef. Now the problem is, I hate my wedding anniversary. I hate it. Because wetin usher do me for my wife church. For our family, we get small body. Now say, I won't solve the problem. Now I go marry big wife. My wife big pass me ×3. I don't know say now my problem start. I wear suit, my wife wear the gown. So we enter church. My wife enter. As I enter, usher stop me. Say little group should go to children's church. I lay a curse on the usher. It's mad now. Evil people. They need the exaggerate to not let be woman go to give her, go to give testimony for church. My son, they come from Ekpoma, their motor somersault 15 times. Who count them? So when the motor wants somersault, he go call mommy, we don't do somersault. He go say, we make can't one, mommy, many now two more easy. They need the exaggerate to. Now exaggeration turned my former pastor for my church to usher for my new church. You want testimony for church? Say, church, praise the Lord. We say hallelujah. Say, you know me. My son is a courtist. is a number 2 man. Wetin concern church, concern position. Say, last week in Ekpoma town, not good. They were not fight. They now shoot my son. Boah, he did not enter. They shoot him again. Boah, he did not enter. Church, juju, they walk. Oh. Hold on. See, Brother Michael. Wow. Now, cause scatter my shoes in a prank. You fry your hair for town, we no good. You be like Tony Tetu like other brother. Beneath the exaggerate. We here when I grow up. People they tell me say, Casino, when you grow up, you become somebody life. And the life with this one. Nothing sweet I care the Lord graduate rich person we go Benedion. Cause they do Yahoo and I care the Lord the HK chairman. They can happy. So Smith on the jail. I thought I want you to. They can happy. Poor people can happy to see rich man down for. You don't see where poor man. They tell poor man good news about rich man. You don't see their reaction. I will tell you to poor man now. Who get table? Not everybody with the table get money. We know. Out of 10, there must be Judas. There must be that your friend will get depression. So you come, will see enjoy. You say, give me money. I want to buy foul.
I don't suffer.
No, not this. Stand up for recognition. The guy get dread, but he not get luck. Now, this guy now and poor people can date together. United in poverty. They wanted a good news about rich man. Alpha, Osion, you just say that guy will get club truth. Say build 10 bedroom duplex. See poor man. Now one room he go sleep. Poor man like vanity. Alpha, you just say Osan you buy 2023 Benz. Benz. May they pray for long life. Benz with the key.
Don't suffocate them.
Poor man, when not get money, buy Benz, say Benz not get second value. Why you want use and say again? Why I hate your guy buy better Gucci clothes where you follow happy because I heard they look them when they spend money for Gucci. Life will be vanity. Now chiffon of 200 naira they bury everybody.
Now money is stop nonsense.
Poor people. The one I hate, you don't have money. You are speaking English. Poor man go rest and say, Madam, can I have fufu? Miss it with draw. A little touch of a go see. Don't say, okay, how many meat? You go say, without. All of the power when the idiot go to talk without. You have to say without here past chicken. Poor man. Now poverty now make my papa tell us say sour the goosey soup is medicinal. Warrior they cure ulcer. I don't know they teach poor people science. Say soda better pass soap. Say charcoal better pass toothpaste. Poor man. Now so they deceive us. Say small people when they chop egg go thief. Why? My ear is here. Why? Tell us you were poor. And one thing I found out about poor man, I don't know how God did it. You know, say poor man hardly get infertility problem. Poor man. Now rich men they say my uncle went there, but when they work for Chevron, 7 years he never married. Hey! Poor man for Buyoko, and they shake their wife triplet. As they don't shake, they can't go television. Obaseki should come and support us. My wife, now Obaseki knock your wife. Not be poverty. Poor men can last long. I don't know they teach poor men route. Anytime you see big man they drive G-Wagon, come see another poor man when they ride bicycle. The big man can't come down. Can't tell the poor man, say, my leader. He they give the big man route. And that is why I am here to tell Edo boys, don't die. trying to satisfy a woman. Fuck them up. Like me, I'm a 2 minutes man. After my 2 minutes is my 2 minutes. If you're not okay, go to hell. Do your worst. Hey, Casino, prove to me you are a man. All this, my baby, I be foul.
Very useless man now, sour man, we won't kill me.
Yes, now. Me resemble one die young. When my pa satisfy my marriage, my pa never die. Not be my man table, so they laugh. Who know that small boys will toast her here tonight? Me, I'm not gonna die leave my wife. Hey, baby, 3 rounds. For what? Having sex? For 1 hour? That is like flight from Benin to Lagos. Double leg. Are you mad? Poor man. Don't put any preach under pressure. Say, Afa Baba. He get one root, Baba. Okulubeye and Tom Tom. Easiest way to keep Benin boys now. Just hold dirty water. Put root inside. You go like this. From now, your person will come say, Afa, Taresi, they walk. Voila! Workers of iniquity. Our men are dying. I read in newspaper, professor of law died. Topic Calabaga will not get YF result. Miss Gentle so rest in perfect peace. Me? Kill myself? Then they give award. I don't know why men they use and proud. Oh boy, if I fire, Oswald! You fire this Regina Daniels for my boyfriend. You bitch. Hola! Regina Daniels' former boyfriend. Have you seen her? Cute. Fine. Broad shoulders. Pink lips. 6-pack. Even get 6-pack for her. Who marry a girlfriend? 70 years old man will get diabetes. The day that they say, if I impress your girl. Ah! Old school. In fact, any man that have sex for more than 30 minutes, it's either you are poor or you will soon be poor.
70 years old man.
No, not my children they talk to. So, Dangote, go now wait to. Dangote. Wait till I don't get accident for all they try to make up. All basically. When they shy with the give wahala. No! They all say, where is it? Hey, is it? Bah! Conversion. Poor men. They are putting us, the rich guys, under pressure. That's why you see some guys now, they lie. So, I did there for 1 hour. One of my guys go, don't come, 2 seconds. Only one go, they use hand, they drew bed. So, boy, they are the knife. And again, listen. Since I was born, I'm getting old. I've never heard that a woman died during sex. Do your research. If woman died during sex, don't say that the man wife used juju killer. Women know they die. Men they go. As of 2015, 27,000 men don't die. One supposed to be president now, but it's gone. Wait till killer, be a bank. You deposit, you don't withdraw. Boys can lie, I will finish this game. Me, I took kiss Sandra. I saw one my guy come casino. Igbewa. Sandra, she believed me. Now I come go here and say, where's Sandra? Say, Sandra, don't go walk. You don't go walk, see, Baba. You don't know how to take kiss Sandra. I don't feel go walk.
Strength of a woman. Strength of a woman.
Yes. And listen to me. As a man, if you have the ability to control your sexual urge, you stand 70% chances of making it in life. Uncontrolled sexual urge is a recipe for disaster. That is why, men will know the control, say 100. That is why a man that is a chief, we bid, we stoop so low to beg a girl of 10 years. Why? You get one strand. I did hotel one day with my friend, boy. I've never cheated. Okay, sorry, I've never been caught. And they see when one old man, they say, baby, no. You can't tell me no at this point. I say no to your no. It's a big no to your no, please. Don't do me like this. Put me in the shoes of your father. I'm like a father to you.
70 years old man.
Hold on. Don't play until I'm land. Don't do this to me. I am hopeless. I am hopeless without you. I am hopeless. Now the girl tell her, say, if you do it, my hair will scatter. See, old man, I will plait it. Oh, Sarah, when you learn dressing work. Negotiation. You see, man. Okay, let's do it this way. I know you don't want sex. Even me, I don't want sex. I will just put it. I will not move my waist. Oswald. Men can lie. Stupid men. Baby, I wish I met you before my wife. Oswald, now when you don't meet, I'm poisoning your wife.
5 days, they just for the
No! Because of sexual urge. I don't know when one man they convince girl. The girl say, but there's no protection. I will go pregnant. See the man. Don't worry. I am impotent. I have diabetes. We'll call clap. And because of this, ladies, they take advantage of us. 90% of the girls, when you beg to have sex with, they know your intentions. Not they go club with girls spend 2 million. Say in no one neck. Now our desperation, they make girls they mess us up. That's why me not agree. Before I book hotel, I'll call you say, I don't book hotel. Make I still go on. If you say yes, you don't agree. Because I don't really know why they put Bible for hotel. We know they read Genesis for them. What they go and say Genesis chapter 4? You they crazy. Who carry a woman for short time? They check whether remote they work. Time is ticking. Time is ticking. And because of this, ladies, they mess us up. Me not agree. I don't spend 2 million. Don't groove you. You come they ask me like question. Now we don't naked. What did they pay me? Why talking when we are both naked? Casino, stop. What are you trying to do? I want thief ballot boss. I want thief ballot boss. The one I hate pass. Casino, don't do this. I have so much respect for you. Disrespect me and not get sense. He always disrespect. The one I hate again. Now come they want to try to do emotional blackmail. Casino. You are like a brother to me. Mama no bonge. We be boys. The one I hate now when they want to do say that they're moral. See, in this relationship, there will be no premarital sex. Yeah? And I don't spend my premarital cash. If I give you premarital slap, you die premarital death. You can't mess us up. And again, ladies and gentlemen, please, easy. For English, Babamona no verse. Of our ushers, they high. Carry 500 table, go put for 1 million table. But please let me perform. If you are not comfortable wherever you are seated, send me your account number and your BVN. I will credit you. Reza. You get what I want to do. Binibo is heartless. You just do one, you go woman, do the woman money finish. You send her money take on Nigeria. Now Japan woman they send you for a kiosa. Hey boy, say boy.
Yo, boys.
I don't know where you Benin boys they see name. No say as this Benin small rich. Now here the Nogi of Taiwan they stay. They will go. Who coronate you? Who you call? I don't think we won't get the knock on my door. Casino. Obudo, what's happen? Say the president of one nation. Say one charge phone. President no get jail.
That will go show you better. They play.
Yahoo. But ladies and gentlemen, I've also told my guys, as man, understand why are you in this table? They hire you. You're hired. Wow. It's by billions. You carry who you use, come give and drink. To set one. Alcohol badu. One guy don't hide, come they cry, meet landlord, say my landlord increase that strength. Tenant kill am yesterday. Some people are heartless. You be tenants, you go buy dog. Dog come bite landlord. We dey beg landlord, they talk say, I don't tenant or they tell landlord say, I don't tell the landlord say me no dey waka here for this company. But meanwhile, ladies and gentlemen, I missed my school days. I attended University of Benin. Though I don't have a job, but I'm proud. Uniben Roge. Uniben. For a Kosodi, you dey waka like this. They'll beat you. That's why you dey bend shoulder. You waka straight. They'll beat you. Say, why you dey waka like Buhari? They don't beat one of my guys. What did I do there? You dey waka, you know if you control your shadow. Your shadow, they match my shadow. You see Oba for that school. My greatest enemy now lost students. That's why I pray may not be well with some lawyers. That will intimidate us for unity. They go, yo, and you their long sleeve. Because they carry our guests for today we call not be affidavit for Sapler Road. Hold on. All of us they suffer. That's anytime they go Sapler. Affidavit or your brother say, you, no, not this barrister. No, greet them. I don't want greet to don't go. Some lawyers. Now also your case that they give them. And another people when I hate. Thank God. Say prayer don't kill mercy. Say he has stomach ulcer. The boy go cure you. Make doctor suffer. I could not become a doctor. I don't wish them well. Doctor, you know what they do for our wife for hospital this thing? Everything that they talk. I want born. Why? Who put that law? Say doctor must put hand. You not be carrying my hand. Put say who is the husband? Say me. Give me hand glove. I said be put hand. 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters. Nothing pay me. When my wife went for my second picking, my friend, the doctor for the hospital, Sumoli, when I send message for Unipe, called to shave my wife. My wife called and say, they shut up. Now my boy. So I wanted to charge for that guy now. Because I say, consider, what did they pay me? Because they, are you enjoying it? Shit, wicked people. And ladies and gentlemen, if you get money, may your wife born for abroad. Oh. Abroad birthday sweet. First, they don't get labor room for abroad. Delivery room. Then they get gynecology, sociology, physiology, take cocology. Not a day. One woman will take cocology. And they pattern. Person one bond, they'll draw different color. They'll put flour, chocolate. You can do it. 2 centimeters, 2 chocolate. If you be picky, not come out. They never born you chocolate, barang. Nigeria hospital. First, now one doctor did 3 hospitals. That one day like they well. Now only when the case serious, now that they call them, plus 2 nurse when over Sabi go key. There always be nurse Titi and nurse Osasu. Why I hate some of these nurses, not only Nigerian nurses they call you with your sickness. Or got diabetes, stay one place. Staphylococcus, we want close. Oh. Yeah, clap. Now, When time come reach labor room, first, they interview you. See woman, see nurse. But you say you're not born again after that last one. That's one at the top. Why you like a kia? No chat from you, no chat from you. Back. They never pay me salary. Madam, I beg, close your leg. Where the other pregnant one? On a mind way.
Will you keep quiet?
No. That's why when you smoke, very dangerous to treat girls anyhow. When my wife was born, 2 of my ex for Unibenabinos. And I treated them badly. I used to say, Sandra, are you in charge of my wife? She said, yes. I was not in charge. When I heard it was your wife, I begged to do her. I said, Sandra, this small pikin not do you anything. I beg. They not cut my pikin prick, doesn't a placenta.
I'll be a fool to go back to my ex-boyfriend.
Yeah. But life is sweet, ladies and gentlemen. I will do my appreciation, maybe my... Please time me. How many minutes I don't clock now? 30 minutes now, this is... Now, wow. Since now the sweat, so... Hype men, and God will punish some of them. You know what time it is, and they don't get wristwatch. Life no balance, so... Again, one guy when they always write my name for a list of noisemaker. Even when I not come to school, my name the day. Noise, he hate noise. Graduate now, no work. He did Lagos now, I have my night, they shall make some noise!
Nobody will not fit to make her.
No! Some people, they will not fit maker. Don't deceive yourself. Some boys, when you're there, now you go be their work. Say, I wish I feel see 4 billion people. Who wants to win? You can never make it.
You dey smoke, oh.
He go boys. One guy said, I heard the smoke to wash away my sorrow. Well done. Tetracycline.
It is smoky, Igbo.
No. And again, ladies and gentlemen, I'm so proud to be a Benin guy. Benin don't sweet. Please a round of applause for yourself. What? Let me remove this rope. Packaging, no, keep person. My tailor is a bitch, a rope. Take it off here, nigga. Stress us. But if you have it, it's fine. Come on, put your hands together for my tailor. Here. Now, when we were young in Benin don't dey sweet to Jay-Z. I don't know what God do for now. Those days for Benin, no cow. If you manage buy motor, then they give the motor name with your surname. Your surname will come out. So your name and the motor name. When we were growing up, we used to hear things like Austin V-Boot. He just buy V-Boot. Osaron Golf 2. Osaron 190. Osago can coupe. Oh, Benin done this. The younger generation not going to understand. Now we get boys now, ballers. When we are growing up, we have Akate. 91, 84, 83. Those Akate, if they come Nigeria, then they go back. Then they hang their motor for her. They'll remove tire. Because the first day we went there, they crease. Today, if Akate, how many Akate they 1 million people? Raise up your hand. Let me know who you kill. Akate. And those days, if you see Akate, you don't know them. First, Akate must bleach. No, nothing you want to Akate. He rather die than not to bleach. He was woo. And their bleaching cream not they work well. Some part, which proof it not be move it, they that time, hot move it. Some part of their body go the yellow, some go the red. From far, they come be like tetracycline. Akate must get big belly. Nothing you want to talk. If you like say they all reach Europe, go say they come, give me my belly. Then Akate must wear net singlet, black. He go wear white singlet inside. Akate jeans must be acid wash. His shoe must go like this, come up. Erikoko Vero. Mud shoe, Agidigbi. That is the starter pack for Akate. Then Akate to talk. Hello? Amen. Lighter, a flange, we are here now. 3 union, A Noge of Spain. That one they stay with another person, or Kagbe of Madrid. And if you check now, Akate not too many again. Which is small boys I do Akate. Small when I wicked do all these football, big polo boys. I don't know if you're not the same money. You go, you give girl 10K. They will give the girl mama 4 million. And the girl mama will say, knock panoro or zuono. Follow sound. Those days, bro, if you give girl 20K for Bini, yeah, I know they call you. Hello, thank you for supporting our community. Boys, spoil everything. That be why I can tell you, they all line 3-3. They all line like this. Like 833. They let the whole bottle. One of them not even see brick again. They let profile. I say, Europe sweet. And they can get a discussion. That my girl. My training the catalog. Osanwa give a belly, you know. But I leave everything for God. But for what I did for the family, I do all that about. Come on, girl, we're you know, let's drink. And then, man, I'm not like in Nigeria, man. You know, everything is just, but it's okay, you know. I leave everything for God. I want to like Europe in Central, you know. I can tell you the discourse, so I don't know, send some dollars. They go buy 10 caskets of Belarus. Now we are the now can say, me? Those who don't think they go abroad. Now can take go come club, or they play whiskey. Go say, man, a teacher on no level. Where me Raskimono? The guy don't go. You don't know what they happen. After they play, bah. Now they can say, man, person you come here, enjoy money while we bah. What's happening here, man? And they call waiter, say, waiter, come here. Say, why are they playing bah? Waiter says, they drink the pot. Say, me and there, what did they buy? Say, Belarus. Organ say, Gouda. Why like I can say that they couldn't learn? Now they just say, 10 caskets of Belarus. It's 100 million naira. Like I say, Iggy, I mean, man, that won't die here, man. 100 million, they are just drinking filling station. How many minutes was I giving here? In total, this is my countdown, right? Yeah. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I've got 7 minutes, 11 seconds. If I try, clap for me first. Please do that. We just want to be doing stand-up comedy the way you should do. But, ladies and gentlemen, have you noticed that in life, please, if you are not educated, this joke requires your attention. If you are not educated, I beg you, just they laugh. May therefore say you know what they talk. This joke is about comparison. Before you judge a man, look at his background, look at his own side of the story. What means A here can be somewhere else. Do you know in Benin, Ukosisi means gun battle. In the East, Ukosisi is a title. Yeah, Ukosisi, if you try for you, don't you say they don't declare war again? Do you know there is a market in Lagos that's called Amu Market? Amu in Igbo, it's Mahood. And in that market, they don't sell Mahood. So if somebody say, I'm going to get Amu, you think it's something else. Now let me shock you. Bring out your phones, enter Google. In Nasarawa State, there's a local government called Total Local Government. Google it. Let me give you time to do it. Total Local Government. And the name of the local government chairman is Acquittance. Total Local Government. So in Nasarawa, Toto is a people. Toto is an identity. Toto is a political unit. But in Benin, Toto is a borehole. Yeah, people dig, water come out.
You make my Toto take pain.
Hold on. Google it, please. I want everybody to be well carried along. Google it. Total Local Government, right? Now, I can't imagine. How do they cope there? In Toto? Because for year now, if person prove, but not try me, I'll be up boy, I'll be up boy, ask Kabaka. How they tell the boss for Toto? Open a bit Toto. Hey, look me, I'll be Toto, man, I'm good. We Toto. Now Toto, you talk to like that. Then they suffer for them. Now, party for your company. So, by your day, Bini or day casino show with enjoy. If you try to go Toto for holiday, how you think they tell your guys? So, but Toto sweet yo, may your day Toto. If you see club for Toto, Toto laugh. You get one my guy yours bike, can you the driver come Toto? Then, and they think if you dare Bini and say ring grow, Toto go. How come Toto take the shadow for Toto? Toto one chance. Last opportunity, Toto enter Toto. What did they happen for Toto? Hold on. Now, should that also shock you? Do you know in Toto, they have an House of Rep member representing Toto Federal Constituency? Google it. We have Honorable Iyawe Esosa Osawe Yezini. Please a round of applause for him. House of Rep, Oredo Federal Constituency. So if they House of Reps now, then they talk. Maybe Osawe will come. I represent the good people of Oredo. I think at this point, Oredo need to be leaded. So how that guy, when they represent Toto, I go to the fight for Toto. My name is Honorable Tadujin Abdullahiz. I represent the sweet people of Toto Federal Constituency. Mr. Speaker, I put it on you that the Toto has been abandoned. Toto has been neglected. There's no road in Toto. There's no water in Toto. Toto is suffering. Toto need help. Toto need to revive. Mr. Speaker, come to Toto and see for yourself. Mr. Speaker will say, Honorable, if I come to Toto, I will come.
You make my Toto, they pay me.
Where will I start from? Let me thank everybody for finding that time to be part of this celebration. We are very grateful. I was really scared when I saw this hall. But please, from the depth of my heart, can you all please put your hands together for yourself? This is not comedy. This is the biggest hall in the entire Niger Delta and it's filled to capacity. It can only happen in Edo State, and Edo right now, we are the pathfinders. Please clap for ourselves more. We'll celebrate ourselves. We are the best, if not for some form of exaggeration. I think the Benin should look into it. Because one man now, they fight for gates. Say they not let her enter. The man saying, know me when I be like this. I be ties. One day, shall say they burn casino for my hand. Waiting now, you be doctor. And when I will check, the guy will say they burn her for my hand, he get one hand. Why? Let's reduce exaggeration. It will help us a lot. And please, there are some lies we were told in Benin. I did my research and I found out it was only told here. Stop deceiving us. We grew up with those lies. Say if person sex for car, the engine go knock. This is 10 years, the don't pick engine never knock. A lot of lies we were told. Say if they send you message, the poor speed for grand. If you not quick on your papugo roti, it will not be well with our other brothers. Motonyeri kill us. They told us another lie. Say if you drink coconut water, you not go no book. Coconut water will not drink. Book we not know. It will not be well with them. There's another lie they told us. Say if you get sore throat, you can't go war when they cut. You can't do 7 times, say you go. Now where they do Now lizard shit from my mouth. Should not be well with those people that told us that lies. A lot of lies were told. Say if you cover Kpekpeye for 7 days, it go turn to snake. What have we done to them? He got the one where they tell us, everybody believe, say Nigeria and India play match. India can't win Nigeria 99-1. Say if they play the ball, it go turn to lion head. As Amokwaraji won't play the ball, 9-4 die. 9 FIFA can't ban India. You have that life for one reasonable truth. India not they play World Cup. They lied to us. Say small pikin chop egg, he go thief. For our papa to tell us say they broke. Poor people. And most of these lies, they come with poverty. Poverty if you make you become scientist. You they discover rubbish. Say bitter cola better pass ampiclox so that they cure malaria. Sour the goosey soup is good for stomach ulcer. Wicked parents. Now we call the grow. Nollywood, when suppose they help us. Nollywood, they won't kill us. And they watch drama. Spirits come they vomit. We are spirit for chop. And they watch one, that day evil forest, I see transformer. Who put light for evil? There was one I was watching, sir. That one I pay me pass. That one I been in drama. Akobe, it should not be well with you. Love it, okay. And Akobe na answer. Akobe I die for part 1. For part 2, Akobe younger sister they marry. I say Akobe they eat rice for canopy. Should not be well with that guy. Hold on. There was one I saw. Oh, I shed tears. He get one woman for the Benin movie. She had been barren for 7 years. So when she did labor room, God can send angel. May go deliver her safely. As the angel delivered the woman finish, out of excitement, angel come shout about talk. Why? Is angel from Ogbe? Is angel related to Kabaka? Why are we doing this to ourselves? Now I say, okay, I know I watch drama again. Now I watch one. That was an epic movie. They're going to show Arwan's story. 400 years ago. Obaesige can't defeat Arwan. Say he cannot become the king. Arwan can't the verse. Now he can't branch Uyu Technical by television. 400 years ago, why? Why are people wicked to us? Now I say, now I am tired of movie. Let me listen to music. I must beat techno. Techno, that's on love song to Kofra. You must marry me, bang, bang, bang. You must follow me, bang, bang, bang. You are a courtist. Techno, night on love song to message. Where your papa do, bang, bang, bang. Where your mama do, bang, bang, bang. Where your sister do. They don't go your cause war. I said I'm tired of techno. Now I can go listen to this boy Potako first song. That's about Kidonka. January 3rd. Which kind of song? I don't give a shot. If you keep they shoot catapult, move wait. Yeah, keep stone. But we think now catapult ikebe. We got to say one talk sense. Your ikebe they blow granite. Yeah, ikebe see money. Things we are just hard, and to make things harder, as a man, things go they hard for you to go. As a man, I 1-0. There's no soft landing for men. You know, say if woman and woman bath, don't say that they touch each other. Sit here. See your breasts. It's fine. No. Can't even your bumper is getting soft too. So Abba say me and Tares na roommate. I just come back finish. Tares goes over casino see your block also.
You dey do homosexual?
No, I'm not the do. When I ask Tares. So things generally they hard for man. Men they go through a lot. You know, say when you born, now your woman, and your wife, everybody they focus on. Nobody care. That's why when I gave birth, I was the first man As I invite my mother-in-law, I invite my father-in-law. As my mother-in-law, they bath my wife. They press her stomach. My father-in-law, they bath me. They press my blockers. Say, my son, I hear you use for my daughter. I say, Daddy, press her. That be smarty blockers, see for night. Man, oh yeah. We are suffering. Sir, do you know, my honorable, as a man, if you build house, your wife automatically become landlady. Do you know if your wife build house, the man and landlady husband?
And the
Hold on. Things are just naturally hard for men. They will tell you no food for lazy man. Overfeed the one kill lazy women. Bro, do you know if man get eczema, it's a dirty man. Woman get eczema, na cream reaction. Should not be well with them. Men are going through a lot. Do you know, sir, if you give birth, that will give you maternity leave. They're not going to give me a leave. That's why with the verse, leave home. Tell you God has blessed Mr. and Mrs. MC Casino with a baby bouncing boy, but they are child in good condition. They don't care about your condition. In government, there's Ministry of Women Affairs, Ministry of Youth, no Ministry of Men Affairs. No wonder some of us they get small affair aside. Everybody must go home with an affair. Some cheats on married men useless, so you want to cheat on your wife. Tell the girl. Which one they say, I wish I met you before my wife. Now when you don't see the girl, poison your wife, idiot. No. Yeah, excuse. And some girls wicked. You be side chick, you get serious boyfriend. I can't book Protea, 150,000. Your boyfriend they call you. You call to tell me, shh, it's my boyfriend. I'll call the run around room. I know say poor people, they romantic. You are my helicopter star. Come outside and look the star. Last, na toilet I sleep. Now the girl say, I'm going, give me money. Now say for sleeping with shit. Men, they just design us to suffer. And you know what bad thing about marriage for men? You know, saying at the moment you marry, now you meet your spec. Bros, as you're married, you jam your spec. You do me now. I like breast, I like bonbon. As I'm married, finish. My wife never get yash. If you see my wife, you be like Chinese man with a piece. And my wife, all those women will not get yash, they can fertile. If I from here before my wife speak now, she'll miss period. I never see person like that. And all the time, life not to favor me. Oh. When government good, dollar na 200 naira. I find picking 2 years and not see you. As Buhari enter, the economy is bad and they fruitful. Buhari period I collect 2. Tinubu I collect 1. I want to tell God now say the government is bad to me. Money not the children full grand. My brother, now you're married. 1 week, I all day Ruben I go. The next week, if you see one girl, get front, get back, get height, respectful, sabi cook. She's into ICT. She they use Range Rover and Vogue. She not even do runs. You know what they pay me for? She be virgin. No, they're not the video. No, not virgin. Bro, as the guy you come my compound. Wow, you MC Casino. And I say, yeah. Oh my goodness. You're such a phenomenon. And my wife never called me sweet name once. The highest way will call me daddy, he may go punish her. The guy said, you're such a phenomenon. He said, you know, I've been crushing on you right from Uniben days. For my man, where you did, sis may go kill you. Now I don't already make mistake. I don't marry the wrong one. Where were you? Where were you? Bro, it never end though. This guy can't even get money. I want to go Europe. Now this guy borrow me 20 million. I said I'll pay back. As I go, now they get tap me. Say, I wish you were not married. You won't have to pay back. Now that night I've been one poison my wife now. Now to make the matter worse, listen, you know when some ladies be your friend, bro, I will just tell her, hey babe, I'll be performing in a hotel. Hey, for real, go well, my dear. Your call time, I'll say my call time is 10. I'll be climbing stage by 10. Exactly 9:30. She don't send me message. Hi, Lawrence. I just want to let you know you're the best. Go there and shine. You are a super success. You are a first-class champion. Kisses. 10 minutes later, my own wife, my mistake. He go just send me message. Every day, show. I think in that time, you choose between your family and your career. Now I say I choose our neighbor. Wow. Teresa, I choose you. Oh, wow. That's how you give me this money. I call it day feminine. I call it get feminine hormones. Hi, baby. Tare.
The statement become.
Not be him. Okpewulu. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for the governor. It's our governor. Nothing. You don't be governor now. That's how we say, very good that, very good that, very good that. My professor and die. Bro, as a man, I don't know how they take program this word. Everything when they sweet, everything when they sweet man, it keep prick. Yes. Like man, no you get moment of enjoyment, sir. When you broke, you the chop. Sorry, you not fit chop. And you can't get, they say cholesterol. Avoid beef. Avoid this. Hey, not drink beer, you'll keep break. Hey, not chop sugar, you'll keep break. Do you know sugar is good for brain metabolism, but it's bad for the manhood? The way they obey manhood, like the way men they worship manhood. I don't give a fuck about you, bro. Can go to hell. I have 3 children in 2 years. Fuck you, bitch. Like, hold on, like we worship manhood in this country. One guy from my crossover service, we drink this is for church now. Only communion, honorable. We just finished only communion. The guy put one for pocket. Carry a lot more bitter. Or some what they do, he say sugar too much, he go keep brick. We call life for brick. Hold on. Like the way we worship. Do you know one thing about this manhood? Very selfish. He cares for himself alone. And not the problem when manhood they put you. The consequences in all the day to fight them. Na coward though. Manhood na coward though. Oh God, if they tell you say your girl get belle when you do school, the first person where they run, na prick. It will come small. It will be like one where they put salt. Prick, coward. You go come go hide. Or do something or lay. Zah. And very selfish. Now you know, this one a true life story. I lost my father 2011. So I call they cry, no man. So won't get when I do the high for the area. Out of say, okay, casino papa die. Come they pet me. So when I can't look, she be not wear bra. So I can't see nipple. It's your stand. He rose, then they bury my papa in the rise. Then they bring my father down, and they go up. Very selfish. And you know saying you get two brothers. Those boys. You know they let them follow them. Oh, manhood, it can never blockage to suffer. Ingo you go yeah. Ingo they enjoy the blockage or the clap for them. I know the people tea. If the tea too sweet prick now blockage the grab. Wickedness. What are we worshiping you for? People are not scared of living their normal life. Do you know Lacasera? That drink. Have you asked why Lacasera is no longer in existence? People said the pH was too high, that it can affect your manhood. A $44 billion company, prick reckon. You know how many people went out in render unemployed? Why? What are we worshiping him for? People are dying, sir. People are dying. Hey, this root is now. If you see any boys for Benin, everybody in Harper is root to last long. To last where? Okay, honorable, if your whole regular list now, put stick inside. Put dirty water. You're the one like this. Who you not know your drive motor car? How far your body they walk? Like, why all these things? You know what I do? I your pass sand, put for water one day. I do like this. Put sand, put it count, put after shave. You know? That one guy say, how far? Casino they work. Now I say yes. How many hours? I say 2. You know, say that in a psychological problem. The guy drink and chuchu walk. You know, come. He come they happy. You know, nothing and the sansa block you. Guys, now let me also tell you this. Don't stress yourself as a man. Scientifically speaking, every man was created with his own time of approaching orgasm. Some people, God has given them the grace to do 30 minutes. Leave them at their time. God's time is the best. Some are 2 minutes. At their day. Oh, Paris. At their day. If you know so you be 2 minutes, don't be drinking those herbs. Do you know the way people are drinking herbs and alcohol? In another 20 years, they will have sexual erectile dysfunction. Those herbs you're actually taking, you're actually killing your erection on a later date. Do you understand? Because those things you are taking is affecting the normal physiological makeup of your organs. Illiterate now the verse. Water now. You bitch. So, what do they do? They work. The reason why you're coming on time is pleasure. Right? It's pleasure. So, when you don't do it, you won't come. Think of any sad thing. Where do I put to you? Now what do they do? I said they walk back. And the thing when you come, or you remember when they bury my pa, you go back. I'll start again. Don't stress yourself. Sir, we read it on papers now. A professor of law died atop a Calabar girl that failed WAEC. It's on papers. What are you killing yourself for? And do you also know men are not so interested in doing this rubbish? If man carry woman enter room now, you know say a guy go they call on the next morning. Have fun, I'll see you. How you go? And nobody lie rich men. No man they quick come for phone. Obo Akila and mother Sandra. Sandra believe. Sandra collects. Now come as the guy. Where you dey? Say at the ass. Where Sandra don't go school. Why you not go work? Baba, I not feel work out. Who key who was what? Why we stressing our life? One get a tell me say, Casino, prove to me you are a man. Prove to me you are a man. All this baby I be foul. Don't stress yourself in life. Now listen, there's something I've also discovered. God has a way of empowering people. People that life naturally don't disadvantage. E.g., you know, say poor men, they know they find children. God has blessed them with fruitfulness and fertility. Poor men fertile. They can quit born boy. Any small thing, my legacy stand out. And again, God has also blessed the mad people with strong immune system. Mad they drink water, dirty water, not they get typhoid. God has also blessed the mad people with strong rod. My brother there, he dey big go. He get one madman level when I see for Joshua, it be like my leg. One woman they drive, look the madman, look his wife, and I say, honey, I wish you were like this. And the man say, you want me to be mad? I say, no, it's other legs. And God also blesses those runs girls with Johnny Mercies. You don't say, I shall get accident. Over safety. I don't know why God they protect them. When I can't read Bible, he get one harlot when commit adultery. You know, saying I stone this guy for Bible now. John the Baptist, when baptized Jesus, they stone him. Small offense. The woman for adulterous woman, they be one stone now. God can't come. Say he that without sin be the first to throw the stone. But they not talk for who baptized them. God to protect her lot. Those days when I never married, one girl come my house and she come misbehave. I say she not fit come out. 1 a.m. Say, you don't know me. You don't know me. I will go. She usually go. My conscience go, they judge me. I say, may they for not rob the girl. Now I can't drive, go find the girl. They rob me now. They later rob me. The guy they ask, say, I told you now, you say another I would say they waka. And again, bro, just try to have money. How are you, sir? There's a man there. You've been like this for long. You good? Why you wear face mask? Auto say we will not wear now. We not get it. We want die young. Because the guy your day like we take wrong decision. What did you do that you are regretting, sir? Why? Who carry my oga go back? Millionaires. If I know you there. And if I know they laugh to joke. If I the verse for me. Don't say be need too hard to. One guy carry a dope picking ticket enter my show. They tell and say this is not casino show. And I say all of them not be one. Now they say no, now I say again no, you have unity there. What's that, people? Ladies and gentlemen, doing show in this country is hard, but doing a show in Edo, it's very difficult. It's very difficult, yeah. I saw a lot. Regular, God will bless you people. Though I'm not seeing you, but God is seeing you now. Una far. Who be that guy with the put for there? Now you keep more bad. Which kind of punishment is that? Guys, man, before I leave this stage, I'll come back and address people, appreciate people. There's something that has always been bothering me. It's about my son. You know, children come with their own disadvantage. You know, I gave birth to a son. My son too like my wife, so it affects me, like it affects my human rights. The boy not sleep alone, so he must stay in between me and my wife. So for 2 years now, me and my son not dey talk. Yes, it's that bad, bro. Because I dey suffer. Okay, imagine all this hustle now. Or call go see my wife at least make temperature reduce. I want you to say the mumu go dey cry. Last week, now I tell my wife, say, if this nonsense not stop, I'll kill him. Bro, it's me. Oh, my guy. My friend from Europe. He's laughing. I know this boy, where they work out, no panto. Thank God say I make a mode, therefore to laugh me. Oh. Because you know, say, now the day you not dress well, now you see your former classmate. Thank you. You are staying in Europe, you are spending $1. Thank you, my brother. Respect, man. Respect. You go easy for fake chain. No.
Money where we get you know go finish you.
No, you don't finish you. Now $18. I better give me naira, I take do transport go area. Bro, my son they worry me. Oh. This one pass Joko. Me on a normal day. 6 months. My wife they heavy. I know they let her get peace. No peace for the wicked. When the uncle tell me say the yam must be 200 at the lab, I say pay. They don't call me for family meeting. I say it's okay. I say it's we are. Bro, I call Verso call family meeting. May they call my son. It's 2 years. May they call my wife. So I can't tell what the pass through. My son can say, in no say now this year matter they call him for. Say for no come. Now I call mama say, see the problem at the face. So my son too like breast. Now mama say, mama can laugh. Hey, why they laugh? We say na so na be for family. How do you mean? Say na breast kill my papa. That boy like breast, so small picky go use one whole breast. They use the other one rubber cap. Which kind of picky are born? Which kind of picky are born? You know this small picky, are they happy? So I don't know say their parents don't do that for them. Come say one place, you know, sauna. They happy. I can have you children. That be my daughter called a share motor for my house. This is daddy's car. This is mommy's car. And my mother day our house. One boss will not they walk again. Can't say this EA's car. I can't feel my ear not kill. I can't look like this. Children. They're too sharp. Oh. But in life, just try to make money. If big man picking fail for school, not say the principal, they drive the picking cars. Say, he's not a dull student. He's a slow learner. Poor man picking fail, then they tear your head. Go, Olodo. So, ladies and gentlemen, before I leave here tonight, I want to appreciate the entire Edo people for coming out. And also beg my sisters, Edo sisters, please, please, if you don't know how to pronounce words, tell us. Which one be my boyfriend and your bag Toyota Venzite? This is wrong. A Venzite. Rain they fall and not feel ballon water. And now they go to their house, wherever you go, your son or son. Now, dirty girl, any smarty, don't they use on the Zolo, he knows. Yeah, they Woloan. Now I call you Woloan. My father be that me that boy who. They can eat a die. This way, die. That the name I hear they go, now I make freak beef for grand. Let's beg them. Why would they beg our sisters? More also beg our brothers. The name will be was the answer. Too much. Too much. Go to Enya. The Enoge of Cyprus. It is stay Enya. Why? Who do your coronation? Oba of you want. And you not get a national passport. Those has billions. Every day they can't charge phone for my house. But while we are also talking about those boys, let's also thank them. Bro, those boys came to take Akate off the shine. Akate duos. All those our brothers that went to Holland 1992, 93, 94. Should not be well with some of them. Holland, Germany, Austria, Thailand, Belgium, Spain, Italy, Italy. Bro, now once they know those ones those days. First, Akate Belem was big. Then they will wear net shirts, a couple white singlet. You up there say if they reach abroad, go say, give me my belly. Oh yeah. Yeah, cover me. Akate must bleach. And that time better, that time all the Jenny's glow never come out. So now move it. Some part of your body go the red, some go the yellow. From afar, they come be like tetracycline when stand. And Akate to make mouth. We are here, men lights on. The old local of Jamie. A 3-3 wak bell with Dian. And Akate has not a pass 4 flats. They can't be the 4 flats. They can't put NJ, one artwork. They can't write, this ass is covered with the blood of. And those days, Akate to lie. They'll say luggage lost for airport. When they see family members who turn up, they'll declare no grata. Nah, rehab with a drink now. You know, Akate not many for Benin again. They're not the call for December. Which years I made they do them. No, see Akate they line up. If they go beer parlor, they'll line like people with 1 vote. They'll go they drink 3-3. The 3-3 will count on 3-2, 3-1, 3-0. They talk rubbish and they always carry their girlfriend. May be one woman, you know, a baby man may train a cadolo. She's not get belly, you know, but you know, it's nothing life. Satu I open tomato shop for a brother, you know, as they talk, now some small boys go buy 2 caskets of Glen. Bro, they call the plague ban. Akate don't take away the command. Now during the days of Oris Wiliki, they go. Now I say, why is everywhere now man? Now man I like that. Man just enjoy, you know. And I still in Europe now. You can't play in Europe. You're playing Akobe, you stop, you playing bang. Waiter! What is going on here? Now they say, now they drink with the bag. I say, we are there. Now I say, Glen Vidish, 2 caskets. I say, yeah, Glen. Oh, that's a Gouda. Before Akate go, na Gouda, de Sakomba Road. Why I like Akate, they quick get sense. Now I call and say, no, this drink, na 30 million, no. Akate the quick guesses. I say, yeah, 30 million. Un diamond akime. 30 million. You mean this boys are just drinking filling station? Now Akate call the call friend. Oh, why like do boys in Wendo Riao? Beneath us point for us. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll be back. My name is MC Casino. God bless you guys, man.
Make some noise for MC Casino!
It's a stand-up comedy.
Yeah.
Over the years, it has won my heart. Yeah, one of my favorites.
Wow, so MC Casino has proven to be the master of his craft. That is so beautiful to you.
We, the young Benin brothers, so we go change the narrative. We go to support ourselves. All of us come to billionaires. All of us come to trillionaires. Everybody come dig gidigba for any area where they go. As they support my brother, rest assured, say we all of us will keep the support you.
A wonderful comedian, and I think he has assembled the best comedians around. And having this in Benin City, I think it was amazing. I had a good time, a short time.
Discussing games of jokes is something that is really exciting for everyone. It's an opportunity for us to come together to support his brand. He's a very funny comedian and somebody that I admire so much, and I really like the way he has been expanding his coast. And I also pray for him to grow bigger than the way it is right now. And I enjoy every other people in Benin to always support this. So he's doing it every year.
I'm scared now, but I'm not fear challenge, man.
So how do you feel when you came and saw this crowd all came out for you?
I won't lie, I did a lot of work. I wasn't expecting anything less. It's a new hall, new size, so I have to employ new skills, new techniques to push the show. I won't lie, I wasn't expecting anything less.